7 keys to developing an entrepreneurial mindset. Do you want to be your own boss and have the freedom and independence you've always wanted? Do you dream of having a successful and profitable business? If so, developing an entrepreneurial mindset is key to achieving it. In this video, I'll introduce you to the 7 keys to developing an entrepreneurial mindset that will allow you to work smarter, focus on results and goals, delegate tasks, save to invest, and be proactive instead of reactive. If you are ready to transform your life and start thinking and acting like a successful entrepreneur, then let's start with key number 1. Stop working for hours, work for goals and objectives. The entrepreneurial mindset focuses on achieving objectives and goals rather than working by the hour. Entrepreneurial people focus on producing concrete and measurable results instead of simply working for the set time. This means that instead of focusing on the amount of time spent on a task, you should focus on achieving the desired results and goals. This can also help increase efficiency and productivity. Key number 2. Stop looking for comfort and security. Seek freedom and independence. Entrepreneurial people are those who seek freedom and independence in their work and personal lives. Instead of looking for a secure and comfortable job, they look for opportunities to create their own business and become their own boss. This can be difficult and risky, but for those who are successful, it can lead to a more satisfying and rewarding life. Key number 3. Make your passions profitable. An entrepreneurial mindset means finding ways to capitalize on personal passions and skills. Rather than simply settling for a job out of necessity, entrepreneurs seek to turn their hobbies or skills into a profitable business. This may involve creating a product or service, developing a personal brand, or even selling an online skill. Key number 4. Do not wear yourself out with operational work. Learn to delegate. One of the keys to business success is learning to delegate tasks to avoid burnout and work overload. Entrepreneurs must focus on the most important and strategic tasks and delegate operational tasks to others. This can be difficult for some, but it is essential to succeed in business. Key number 5. Stop saving to spend and start saving to invest. The entrepreneurial mindset involves a change in the way you think about money and spending. Instead of saving simply to spend on luxuries or unnecessary things, entrepreneurs seek to save to invest in their business or in other projects that can generate more income. This saving and spending approach can help build a strong and lasting financial foundation. Key number 6. Stop being reactive and start being proactive. Entrepreneurs are proactive people who take the initiative and do not wait for things to happen. Instead of reacting to problems or situations, entrepreneurs take steps to prevent problems and create solutions before they become a real problem. This proactive mindset can help entrepreneurs stay ahead of the competition and make informed, strategic decisions. Key number 7. Do not be afraid of changes and manage them. Entrepreneurs face constant changes and must be able to quickly adapt to new situations and challenges. The ability to manage change and take steps to adapt and evolve is an important skill for entrepreneurs. This can involve taking calculated risks, learning from mistakes, and pivoting in the right direction when things don't work out as expected. Entrepreneurs must also be open to new ideas and willing to innovate and change to stay relevant in an ever-evolving marketplace. In short, developing an entrepreneurial mindset involves changing the way you think about and approach work and business. It is about focusing on goals and results, seeking freedom and independence, making passions profitable, delegating tasks, saving to invest, being proactive instead of reactive, and being willing to adapt and change. If this mindset is adopted and applied in daily life, it can lead to greater success and satisfaction at work and in life in general. Developing an entrepreneurial mentality implies changing the way of thinking and approaching work and business, focusing on objectives and results, making the most of passions, delegating tasks, being proactive, and being open to change. Adopting this mindset can lead to greater success and satisfaction at work and in life in general.